Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Aid. If you're new here, this is the place where I break down programming in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're starting completely from scratch. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would learn to code in 2025 if I was starting all over again. No experience, no tech background, just a beginner with a laptop and curiosity. Step 1, I'd start with web development. If I was starting today, I wouldn't touch 10 different languages. I'd focus on web development, because it's the easiest way to get results fast and stay motivated. I'd start with HTML to structure my web page, CSS to style it and make it look good, JavaScript to make things interactive. These three are the foundation of everything you see online. You can literally build websites, portfolios, and landing pages using just these tools. Step 2, I'd learn by building projects. Watching tutorials is great, but building something with your own hands, that's how you learn for real. After each new concept, I'd apply it immediately. For example, learn HTML, build a simple personal homepage, learn CSS, style that homepage with colors and fonts, learn JavaScript, add a working button or a calculator. The goal is not to memorize, but to create. That's how things stick. Step 3, I'd stick with one resource. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is jumping from course to course. YouTube to Udemy to TikTok without ever finishing one. I would pick one solid playlist or course and stick with it. It could be a free YouTube crash course or even a channel like this one. The secret is consistency. Even 30 minutes a day is enough if you stay focused. Step 4, I'd use free tools. I wouldn't spend money on anything at first. I'd take full advantage of free tools like CodePen or Replit to write and test code without downloading anything, GitHub to save and share my projects, Notion or Google Docs to take notes and track my learning, and yes, even ChatGPT to help me understand errors when I'm stuck. These tools make learning easier, and they're all 100% free. Step 5, I'd document my journey. If I really wanted to grow fast and stay motivated, I'd document my coding journey. I'd create a GitHub account and start uploading even the small stuff. Not because I'm a pro, but because it shows progress. It builds a habit. And if you ever want a job or freelance work, your GitHub becomes your proof of skill. Step 6, I'd join a community. Learning to code alone can get frustrating. That's why I join online communities, Discord servers, Twitter dev circles, or even comment sections of coding YouTubers. Ask questions, share wins, learn from others. It'll keep you motivated when you hit roadblocks, and trust me, you will. Step 7, I'd focus on projects, not perfection. Last tip, I wouldn't chase perfection, I'd chase progress. I'd give myself permission to build ugly websites at first. I'd break stuff, fix it, and break it again. That's real learning. So that's how I'd learn to code in 2025 if I was starting from scratch. Focus on web development. Build projects early. Stick to one resource. Use free tools. Share your journey. Join a community, and never stop building. Let me know in the comments, where are you in your coding journey? Just starting? A few weeks in? I'd love to know. Subscribe for weekly tutorials, projects, and tips. Faceless, fluff-free, and straight to the point.